How to love yourself. Loving yourself is a crucial aspect of mental and emotional well-being. Here are some steps and strategies to help you cultivate self-love. 1. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend. Acknowledge your mistakes without harsh self-criticism. 2. Set healthy boundaries. Learn to say no and protect your time and energy. Surround yourself with people who respect and support you. 3. Take care of your body. Engage in regular physical activity, eat nutritious foods, get enough sleep, and practice good hygiene. 4. Engage in activities you enjoy. Spend time doing things that make you happy and fulfilled, whether it's a hobby, a sport, or a creative pursuit. 5. Challenge negative self-talk. Identify and reframe negative thoughts about yourself. Replace them with positive affirmations and realistic, balanced thoughts. 6. Spend time alone. Use alone time to reflect, meditate, and get to know yourself better. This can help you understand and appreciate your own company. 7. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes talking to a therapist or counselor can provide the support and strategies needed to improve self-love. 8. Celebrate your achievements. Recognize and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. This helps build confidence and self-worth. 9. Forgive yourself. Let go of past mistakes and understand that everyone makes them. Learn from them and move forward. 10. Stay mindful. Practice mindfulness or meditation to stay present and connected with your thoughts and feelings. Would you like to start with a specific strategy, or is there a particular area where you need more detailed guidance?